Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today, as you can see, we are doing no bake oats cookie. It is healthy, it's delicious. You can have it as a breakfast bar, you can have it also as a snack. It's so delicious. It's very easy to do. So if you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this. Right guys, to start I need to toast my nuts. Okay, I'm toasting almonds and walnuts. I've cut them to small pieces. You can use any nuts of your choice. Okay, this is what I prefer. And I'll add just a little bit of salt to it to make it really nice. When I toast it, it makes it really nice and crunchy. Okay, but you can use raw one if you prefer. It's all done. It doesn't take long. And also I toast my oats. This is traditional organic oats. Okay, and it's your preference. Do not toast it if you don't like it. I have my honey, and then I am going to add some peanut butter. Right, this is 100% peanut butter. There's nothing added to it. Okay, and because it's quite thickened, I'm going to put that into the microwave so that it will loosen it up. As you can see, I've done that already, and it's quite easy to just mix the nuts with this. I've added all my nuts, what I toasted, and I'm going to add some flaked coconuts as well. And as you know me, I really love cranberry. Okay, so I'll add some cranberry to it as well. I'll put all the measurement down below in the description box, okay, for you. And I'll mix it nicely. So guys, it's all mixed. I have a tray with some parchment paper on it, and I have my cookie cutter. So as you can see, I'm going to just put my dough into it, the cookie cutter, and just make sure you pat it down nicely. All right, just do it as I am doing it, and it's quite easy. You just pat it down, and then you can do it in different shapes that you prefer. I just love this round shape. Right guys, as you can see, it's all done. I'm going to put this into the freezer for it to freeze, okay, for some hours to harden it up. Okay, that's it. It's so easy to make, and it's delicious. I always have one with my tea or coffee in the mornings. I tell you, it's lovely. Just look at that. I just took it out of the freezer, and guys, it's absolutely delicious. You can use any nuts or fruits of your choice. We'll put that into a Ziploc bag, as you can see, and put that into the freezer. That's it. So easy to do. So try this. I love this, and it's so delicious, and you are going to love it and thank me later. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.